Venezuela was hit by another earthquake on Saturday. The new quake measured 4.9 in magnitude. It happened near the country's northern coast. People in the capital Caracas and the city of Maracay felt the shaking. Rescue teams are still working after two strong earthquakes on June 25th. The death toll has now reached 920. Around 3,300 people are injured. Many buildings have collapsed. Families are removing debris with their own hands to search for missing loved ones. Emergency workers are providing food, water, and medical help. Officials warn people to stay alert because more aftershocks may happen.